guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig unboxing sorta. So actually I ordered an HD frontal from Amazon. This is my first HD frontal that I just ordered by myself, but I really wanted this frontal to replace on one of my older wigs, and I wanted it to be HD. I want the lace to give. So we are going to open up this package, see what we have in here, see if the frontal is giving. I did buy this frontal with my own money. This video is not sponsored, but we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So this should be an HD 13x4, a full 13x4 frontal. It's from Beeos hair. So Beeos also, or I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I like to say Beeos. They also have an AliExpress store, but I am in a hurry. I'm going out of town tomorrow. So I wanted this frontal to put on my wig super fast. So I ordered this yesterday and it's here today. So I was like, yeah, I definitely need to replace this frontal. So we are going to go ahead and open this up. It costs like $130 for a 20-inch HD frontal. So I have had a wig from Beeos before, and they actually did have real HD lace. So I hope this is actually real HD lace here too. So here it is. It's this little thing. Oh, okay. So I thought I went cheap. Or did I? They might have sent me, huh? So this says it's a 22-inch, but I could have sworn I just ordered a 20-inch. But yeah, here it is, 22 inches. Here it's in a little itty bitty box. Okay, it just has some information on the back there, but we're going to go ahead and open this and see what is inside. I'm sorry, you guys. This is a glueless wig I threw on real quick. So if you are ever in a pinch real quick and you need some hair, or you need to replace that jacked up frontal. So I really want to replace the frontal on my 40-inch wig, because when I actually watercolored it jet black, I accidentally colored the lace a little blackish. So the lace never gave. It was always a little too dark. But let's go ahead and open this. So hopefully when I take that frontal off and put this new frontal on that wig, it's gonna eat. I think replacing your frontal on a wig will give you the appearance of like a brand new wig, if my theory is correct. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to open this. I'm going to see Mariah the Scientist tomorrow, guys. I will be vlogging, so don't worry, don't worry. So let me see. They do have like little hair care tips in here. What is this? Here it is. There, it's called Beeos. I guess, I don't know how you pronounce that, but that's it right there. So here is the frontal. Comes like this. So 22 inches. This is pretty long, you guys. So you all know when you order like a longer wig, sometimes the frontal hair can be really, really short. So I think I might have not even needed 20 inches. Because I'm 22 inches, because this is really long compared to the frontals they give you on like longer wigs sometimes. I don't have any over here, but it comes with a wig cap, so that is nice. And it says skin like real HD lace. I might film like a short or definitely a TikTok or short or something of me replacing the frontal on that wig for you all. But here it is. So yeah, this is HD lace. This is real HD lace, honey. And honestly, I don't see myself needing to pluck this too much. Like, I don't know how well you all can see it. Like, hold on, let me put it on here. Like the lace, the hairline looks pretty good. Like, here it is. So the hairline looks pretty good. Like, that's not bad at all. It is real HD lace. Y'all see, it looks just about invisible. So here it is on my prime paper. And it looks invisible. So ordering a little HD frontal like this might be a life hack. When you get a wig that has some really thick lace or something, and you know you want HD, because I know a lot of AliExpress companies will say, hey, this is HD lace and on this wig, and it's really transparent. Like, they just say it's HD and it's not HD. So something like this might really eat. Let me put it on my arm and see how it looks. So it still looks kind of whitish here, but the lace is really, really thin. When you see these itty bitty hairs right here, these little strands, you got some good lace here. Like, I'm really excited because I know this is gonna look like invisible on me. Like, I feel like it's gonna look really, really bomb. So I am excited. I do feel like I was expecting more parting space though. This is not a lot of parting space in my opinion. Like I feel like, so this is supposed to be a 13 by 4. I feel like they started the 4 all the way up here. Let me measure this. Cause if it's a 13 by 4, we should get 4 inches of hair. Like I feel like, so hair starts right here. So we're gonna put the measuring tape right here. So yeah, you get about, let me see. So honestly, let me put my measuring tape right here. You get about 3.5 inches of parting space, which is cool because the wig I'm actually replacing the frontal with. I do also feel like, I got a piece of hair in my mouth. I do also feel like they didn't go too heavy on the actual spacing on that either. Some 13 by 4s will be longer than others. I don't know why. If it's a 13 by 4, it should be a 13 by 4. But I'm really, really happy with this lace. I do know that how they did this, it's not gonna be hard for me to actually replace this the frontal on the old wig to this frontal. So I am pretty happy. So we are going to probably do that in a little bit, or I'm gonna do that. It was $130. They do have a coupon for 15% off. So when you're on Amazon, make sure you always check the little green spot. See, I don't like glueless wigs. I don't care what anybody say. They don't hit to me. Like, I feel like no matter what, my glueless wig like slides back. The more I talk, like eventually it's gonna keep sliding back. It never feels like secure to me. I just, I don't know. Glueless wigs aren't for me, I don't think. But that's just me. I guess, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Like, they're not gonna eat the same as when you add a little bit of this. I'm sorry, I just dropped everything to your wig. Like, I don't know. But yeah, here's the new frontal. It's not just thick, but I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna have to dye this jet black. I'm going to pluck the hairline and replace this on my old wig. But here it is, you guys. This is what I got. I'm excited. I hope it gives. I really hope it gives. But I'm going to update you all on this Amazon frontal. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, another thing, you guys, the hair quality looks good. The hair quality itself looks good. So I'm not worried about that at all. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.